Why, hello, my low subjects, my name's King Wolfpaw, and welcome back to Pokemon Blue Nuzlocke. I made it down here, so this is our next encounter. This episode's going to be encounter heavy. That's kind of what we're doing today, and then we're going to start on the SSA and stuff. If I could ever encounter anything. There we are. Ooh, a Grappler. Sing. Uh-oh. Now, we'll point out, I'm pretty sure... What was the vote we had? What was Xavier? Was Xavier a golem? Am I crazy? But this is not Dupe's Claws because he's dead. I've already forgotten our past dead Pokemon. I have a lot of Pokeballs, so we're good. Uh-oh. Yeah! Perfect. Look at that. Rolls down slopes to move, it rolls over an obstacle, blah blah blee blah blue. Alright, you are... a buck. Why not? You look like a buck. Now I'm curious, was Xavier a... What was Xavier? We've already lost so many Pokemon that I've genuinely forgotten what some of them are. We have a Porygon. Yeah, I have 6 Pokemon. Let me deposit Buck real quick. All my Mons are here in box 1. So Paprika's a Growlithe. Aldrin is a Electabuzz. Data is the Porygon. Larry Jr. is Magikarp. So yeah, what was Xavier? Golem, right? Yeah, Xavier was a Golem. So I don't know if Buck can evolve or not, because I don't know if I checked that on the randomization to get rid of, oh no, don't change Rock for me, or put Xavier back in the grave. Because I don't know if I checked the, things can evolve without their requirement. I have 0 clue. Oh, withdraw. Buck, come here. So we'll do some training off camera to get the others up to par. But we have 2 more encounters we can get right now. We can get to the right of Vermilion, and we can get Diglett Cave. While we're at it, we could probably also go get Flash. Actually, I don't know if we can get Flash. We might not have enough Pokemon to get Flash, because we're doing a Nuzlocke. Alright, we're gonna get this first. I also don't know how strong the trainers are over here. Okay, so I actively have the evolved form of this, so we are going to Dupe's Claws this. Tentacool! Okay, I think it's Tentacool. Love Tentacruel, one of my favorite Gen 1 Mons. Okay, rude. That's so disrespectful. Okay, and now it's gonna rat me again. Okay, okay. You're just gonna be annoying. Okay, I don't want to annoy you anymore. That's not true. But you're making me annoyed. You're making me annoyed. Okay. There you go. You wake up immediately, I'm gonna be mad. Tentacle's got such a nice... Tentacle has such a nice front sprite. Okay. Is this poison? Oh, decent moveset for a level 13 Tentacle. Please, stay asleep for like 2 turns so I can punch you in the face. Are you kidding? I'm in such a bad mood already going into the recording this episode. I was already in such a bad mood. I'm so cranky right now because I have to go to the doctor tomorrow for just a safety check thing. We're gonna do an ultrasound on my stomach. I've been having some stomach pains. And we're pretty sure it's like a constipation issue, but they want to do the ultrasound to be safe. But yet, the fun fact, you have to fast before an ultrasound. So I haven't eaten. And I can't eat for the next... Holy crap. I can't eat for the next, like, 10 hours. I'm very cranky. We got Tentacle. The jellyfish. A jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish Pokemon. Tentacool. I don't know what to name you, actually. So you're being named Yorg. Yorg. Yeah. Welcome to the team, Yorg. Perfect. So Mia's the only one that I screwed up the name on and made full caps. Good. Alright, we're gonna heal up Mia real quick in case whatever's the Diglett Cave is broken. And then we're gonna get our third encounter. We're 2 for 2 so far. Nothing awful yet. We hope to see you again. We hope your Pokemon are crippled. Tee-hee. Doodaloo. Doodaloo. I think we also get our first Great Ball on the SSN. Oh, also, the trades in the game are randomized. The person in Vermilion wants a Magnemite for something we already have, so that's not happening. Spearow! Okay, that's not bad, and it's already level 20. It might be hard to catch because of the level, though. But the level 20 Spearow, it would be close to leveling... I don't know what level Spearow evolves into Fearow off the top of my head, but it's probably not too far. I'll actually probably put that on the team right now. Sick. And we're gonna name you Spears. Both because your name is Spearow, and also just after the wrestler Sean Spears. There you go. Perfect 10. Alright. So that is all the encounters I think we can get right now. I think I'm gonna put Spears on the team. I don't know what I'm gonna remove, though. We could remove Mia, just because Mia's we don't want to lose Mia. Because she's kind of our helper for... Actually, that's probably a good shout. And then I'll just level her as we get to areas where Pokemon are too strong. So I think we're going to deposit Mia. And just put her up a couple levels in between. And we're going to put Spears directly on the team. Let's go. Do I have any... I don't think I have any... I have Dig, which a Buck can learn. Oh, you didn't have any other moves. Perfect. I was going to go look at your moveset, but I guess you don't have enough moves. Alright. Perfect, perfect, perfect. heal just because I don't remember if your Pokemon automatically heal inside the PC when they're caught. I think they do. But that could be a thing that got introduced in Gen 2. And we're going to lead onto the SSN with Spears, because why not? Actually, don't know Spears' moveset. That's probably not a good idea. It probably knows Peck and Sand Attack. Not even Sand Attack. Peck, Growl, Sand Attack is Pidgey. What am I talking about? We're all good. Let's go get Spears Guild immediately. To the SSN. All aboard! I know that was cringy. Just deal with it, because I'm very sick and very angry. This is probably my favorite song in Gen 1. I hum this to myself all the time. I love the SSN song. I learned how to play it on my trumpet. It's very fun. I travel alone on my journey. My Pokemon are my only friends. Tee-hee, my family disowned me because I am into crypto. Doo-doo-doo. Bulbasaur? I could take a Bulbasaur. Maybe. I don't know. Ooh. Oh no, Peck's a flying type move. I was gonna say, I don't know any flying type moves, and I was like, no, Peck's definitely a flying type move. And here's the thing. I'm not gonna worry about the level cap anymore, because I'm lazy. We're just gonna play, because something stupid can happen, because a gym leader could throw out a legendary that's gonna beat us even though it's like 10 levels lower. That's not good, though. That's not good at all. Miracle, get out of here. Ah, sick play, I guess. Bubble, no, headbutt. Ha! Oh, and you flinched. Flinch was introduced in Gen 1? Why did I think it was like a Gen 2 mechanic? Huh. Man, I really forgot everything I knew about Gen 1, didn't I? It's been a very long time. My friends! Yeah, they're all dead now. Congrats. Alright, where's my cabin? I don't remember. Not the third door. She's the lady who wants cherry pie. Not the fourth door. Do I not have a room in Gen 1? Do you only have a room in Fire Red? You might only have a room in Fire Red. I don't remember, genuinely. We're also leveled enough, we could probably skip past all the extra trainers and go straight to the rival fight. Do we want to do that? Because I can always level off screen, and I think we're definitely strong enough to take on the rival fight. And if we want it to be a little bit of a challenge, we should probably go straight. Yeah, let's go straight to the rival fight. Let's go heal up Spears and go straight to the rival fight. And then, oh, there's items and stuff on the ship, though, that we want to get. Ah. Alright, we're gonna do some exploring, because I don't remember what items are where, but we could use some extra TMs and some extra items. Especially because we want to do, like, a no healing other than antidote run. Yeah, that's just the dude here. I feel like there's a person in here that's like, oh, you should rest, and heals you. And then in Gen 3, in Fire Red and Leaf Green, they put a room that's yours. Max Potion. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I know that for a fact there's a bed for you in Gen 2. Because they like you in Gen 2. Gimme. Okay. Rude. Us sailors have Pokemon too, do ya? In the Pokemon world, we all live in a Pokemon world. Mr. Mime gonna beat up that Mr. Mime with a vice grip. Gonna tear its head off. Oh, I did get a chance in between episodes to learn guillotine, and I did not. Ooh, you are confused. Let's risk it. Yeah! Get bubbled, idiot. Paris? Oh, spears. Here's some free XP for ya. Oh, I forgot I didn't heal you. That's fine. Heck. That's good. We're all good. Everything's fine. Gimme. Gimme. I clicked A and it did not gimme. What is TM44? Oh, rest. That's not a bad move to probably put on Mia in case we get into a tight spot. Like something really doesn't want to sleep and it keeps beating her up. That might be a good shout. Oh, which room had the bunch of people and the Pokeball? This one? No, that's the cherry pie lady. Am I crazy? There we are. I am. Look at that trick. We can only have to fight one person in this room. It's a lick of tongue. Gonna punch it with our big old claw and vice grip. Gonna tear off its head. Uh-oh. Hey, bud. Hey, bud, you wanna let go? You wanna get your tongue out from around my crab? Will you get your tongue off my crab, please? Thank you. Ow. And you lose. Thank you. Soon do 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 da da do da 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 do. Romeo, pop up front, please. Body slam, that's not a bad move. Body slam's the one that paralyzes, right? And just regular slam does nothing. I'm like 2.3% sure. I was gonna say, I think there's one more item. Nope, I have to fight both of you. Alright, whatever. Alright, so we're gonna get this item, we're gonna go heal, and then we're going to come back for the... Oh god. For the, rival fight. That could be bad. I don't know. Ah! Alright, Mega Punch. No! My brain was thinking Hyper Beam. My brain was thinking Hyper Beam. And I was like, I have a free turn if this misses. Oh, dear God. Oh, here goes Wendell, too. I don't know why I sent Wendell in. That was the dumbest thing I could have done. Dragon Rage?! I'm starting to think maybe I should have just went straight to the rival fight. I'm so upset. It's my own fault. I only had to lose one. I didn't even have to lose one. Could have switched out. I could have switched out to something else. I could have swapped into another Mon. There's a multitude of things I could have done differently. And yet, I let Romeo die. On the bright side, Romeo died after we dupes closed for a Nidoran earlier, so we don't have to worry about finding a Moonstone to replace him. Crap. Alright, Miracle, you're taking lead. Because I don't know what this guy's gonna have. Oh, that sucks so much. Alright, I can Bubble Beam it. Oh, sick. I wouldn't mind a Rhyhorn. Like a Rhyhorn or Rhydon. That'd be a sick addition to the team. Max Ether. I did all that. I lost 2 Pokemon for a Max Ether. Which is fine, because, like, if I'm mid-cave and I'm like, I need to get an item, or I need to not get it. I need to get through this without running all the way back to get my PP back removed. It's fine. After the last episode went so well, too. Miracle did so well for us, and then I threw it all away. All our progress down the drain. Not all the progress. I'm just being pessimistic because I'm cranky. Oh, we gotta switch real quick. No, what am I doing? No, go away. Bill. Change to box 1. Deposits. Wendell. Oh, it sounded so sad. And Romeo. And we can nope, not withdraw from this box. Now we gotta change back to box 2. And we're gonna withdraw Yorg and Mia. Yorg, you're up. Now, here's the issue: is they are not. Well, Mia at least is not. Okay, yeah. So they definitely don't heal. All right, we're gonna lead with Larry, and we're gonna go to the rival fight. And then in between episodes, I will level Yorg and as long as the rival doesn't end our run. Which he might. We will... Oh, yeah, but his Pokemon's a Rattata, isn't it? Or it could be Eradicate now. We'll level Spears and everybody up a little bit. Because if we beat the rival, then next episode we can do the gym. So, yeah. It seems like over-leveling might not be a problem in this game, because that Gyarados screwed us up. Because I'm bad at the game. No, yeah. Flash the guard to get in. I'm gonna go jump right up the front of his boat, cause I want to die. In the game. In the game, YouTube. Alright, we're at just about time, so good a time as any to potentially end the run. We're gonna save. Come on. Yeah, I know all that. Diglett, okay. If we can water gun you, we can maybe one-shot you. Yes, perfect. Parasect, aw, sweet. We'll swap into Spears. And if he gets low, we can swap into Miracle. Because Miracle is just a bit tanky. Don't even need to. Let's go. Gold duck. Miracle can tank a gold duck. Couple headbutts. Yeah, you ain't gonna do anything to me. Don't you dare. Okay. Well, stay in. I love that it's still a rat. Is it Rattata or Ratata? Or Ratata? Or Ratatata? Ratata. Hakuna Ratata. Alright. Rival fight done. So in between episodes, I'll bring the other ones up to like 25, and then we'll fight the gym in the next episode. Perfect. So, some wins, some losses. Oh, we have to decide who we're giving cut to. We could give it to Mia, since Mia we kind of want to have on the side as our, like, catcher. You know what I'm saying? I think we're gonna give cut, since we're gonna have to use Mia for the gym fight anyway. Oh, not able. Never mind. So either Larry or Jorg, and I don't... Larry's our, like, hard hitter right now. So Jorg, you're gonna have to learn cut, because I don't know what you're gonna learn in the near future. Alright. So, that's been that. We got new additions to the team. We lost a couple people. It is what it is. It'll be what it do. It's how Nuzlocke goes. We've beaten the rival fight, so we've made progress. That feels like a good episode, right? I've spent the whole episode rambling and talking about how cranky I am. Fun. Beautiful day. Bye. Alright, so. Oh, I also don't know. So, I have, like, legendaries randomized to other legendaries. So we could get, like, 3 Mewtwo's. I don't know if that includes a Mew or not. So I don't know if we can actually get a Mew, like, if we go and try and catch, like, the legendary birds and they randomize to a different... Because there's only 5 legendary... There's 4 legendaries in the game. Mewtwo and the legendary birds. I did legendary for legendary swap, so I don't know if Mew is counted in the game's code, at least for the randomizer. I don't know. We'll have to find out. For now, though, thank you guys so much for watching this episode. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Be good people, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.